What if I told you that buying Bitcoin in 2025 is easier than ever before, and you can do it right now, safely, in just a few minutes? Whether you've never touched crypto before, or you've been watching from the sidelines, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to buy Bitcoin the smart way in 2025 without getting lost, scammed, or overpaying. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to buy Bitcoin, but you'll actually understand what's happening behind every click. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Crypto Loop, your one-stop channel for simple, smart, and secure crypto education. I'm here to make crypto make sense, especially if you are just starting your journey this year. Now, let's be real. Bitcoin has been around for over a decade, and yet most beginners still get stuck on one simple question. Where do I actually buy it safely? The good news is, the process in 2025 is faster, safer, and way more user-friendly than it used to be. So, let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about what's changed. Back in the early days, you had to use complicated exchanges, weird interfaces, and sometimes even send your money to overseas platforms you'd never heard of. But now, regulation has tightened, major financial institutions are involved, and top crypto platforms are licensed in most countries. That means you can buy Bitcoin directly using your debit card, bank account, or even PayPal, all within a few minutes. So here is the easiest and safest way to buy Bitcoin in 2025. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange. There are tons of options out there, but for beginners, I always recommend starting with a regulated, user-friendly platform. Some of the best and most widely available right now include Coinbase, Binance, Bitget, and Gemini. If you want an app that feels more like a bank, try Revolut or Cash App, which also allow Bitcoin purchases directly. Now, before you sign up anywhere, make sure the exchange is available in your country and supports your currency. This is important because fees, limits, and verification times can vary depending on where you live. Once you've picked your exchange, go ahead and create your account. You'll need to verify your identity, usually by uploading a government ID and taking a selfie. Don't be alarmed, this is required by law to prevent fraud and money laundering. In 2025, most exchanges approve accounts within minutes. After your account is verified, it's time to fund it. The easiest way for beginners is to link your bank account or debit card. Bank transfers usually have lower fees but can take a day or two. Debit cards are instant but come with slightly higher fees, usually between 2 to 4% depending on the platform. If you're serious about investing long-term, bank transfers are usually the smarter option. Now, here's the fun part. Buying your first Bitcoin. Go to the Buy section of your exchange, select Bitcoin, type in how much you want to buy, and confirm. Don't feel pressured to buy a full Bitcoin. You can buy any fraction you want. For example, if Bitcoin is priced at $12,000 and you only invest $100, you'll own about 0.83,000 Bitcoin. That's one of the best parts of crypto. You can start small and scale up later, but before you hit that buy button, let me give you one pro tip. Always check the transaction fees. Some platforms quietly include hidden fees in the exchange rate. Compare the price of Bitcoin on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko with what your platform is offering. If the price difference is too high, try a different exchange. After you've made your purchase, you'll see your Bitcoin balance appear in your account almost instantly. Congratulations, you officially own Bitcoin. But we're not done yet. The next and most crucial step is storing it safely. Many beginners make the mistake of leaving their Bitcoin on the exchange. While it's convenient, it's not the safest long-term solution. Exchanges can be hacked or accounts can get locked. So here's what you should do. Move your Bitcoin to a private wallet. There are two main types: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are apps you can download, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and they're great for quick access. Cold wallets, like the Ledger Nano X or Trezor, are physical devices that store your crypto offline, making them far safer from hackers. If you plan to hold Bitcoin for years, I recommend a cold wallet. It's like putting your gold in a safe instead of keeping it on the counter. And if you're thinking, what happens if I lose my wallet or password? Don't panic. When you create your wallet, you'll receive a recovery phrase, usually 12 or 24 random words. Write these words down on paper and store them somewhere safe and private. Never share that phrase with anyone. Whoever has that phrase can access your Bitcoin, no matter what. Now, one question I get a lot is, should I buy Bitcoin all at once or a little at a time? The best strategy for most beginners is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. Instead of investing a big lump sum, you buy a fixed amount, say $50 or $100, on a regular schedule, like weekly or monthly. This helps you avoid buying at the wrong time and smooths out the price volatility. Many exchanges now allow you to automate this, so you can literally set it and forget it. Another key tip: don't chase hype. Every week, there's a new coin claiming to be the next Bitcoin. But remember, Bitcoin is the original, most secure and most widely adopted cryptocurrency. It's the digital gold of the crypto world. If you're a beginner, start with Bitcoin. Learn the basics, understand how wallets work, and then, if you're comfortable, explore other projects. One more thing before we wrap up: security. Make sure you enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your exchange account. This adds a second layer of protection by requiring a code from your phone every time you log in. Also, be cautious of phishing links and fake emails pretending to be from your exchange. Always double-check website URLs before entering your login details. In 2025, buying Bitcoin is no longer a mystery. It's a few simple clicks away. But smart investing isn't just about buying. It's about learning how to protect and grow what you own. Take your time, double-check everything, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. And there you have it, the easiest way to buy Bitcoin in 2025, step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to the Crypto Loop for more beginner-friendly crypto guides, simple explanations, and real-world tips that actually make sense.